Hello, my dear girls. With you, Mrs. Maha Saad. I'm going to explain Unit 7 for grade 11. I'm going to tackle the main points or ideas in this unit. It's about broadcasting. Okay. First, I'm going to explain the meaning of broadcasting or what is meant by broadcasting. Okay? Then I'm going to discuss the different means of broadcasting. Okay, especially the modern means of broadcasting. Okay. After that, I'm going to explain the difference between radio and TV in the past and now, of course, as means of broadcasting. Okay. Okay. At first, I'm going to explain the meaning of broadcasting or what is meant by broadcasting. Broadcasting means or broadcasting is communication through radio and TV. Okay? As we talked about radio and TV as we mentioned them, this will lead us to the second point, which is the means of broadcasting. Okay. What are the means of broadcasting? As we said in the definition, we have first radio, okay, then TV. And you can add to them another modern means of broadcasting, which are DVD, cable TV system, okay, digital television, and satellite. Okay, let us move to another point, which is the third point. Our point was, as we said before, the difference, as we mentioned radio and TV as means of broadcasting, we are going to explain the difference between them in the past and now. Okay, so we have TV and radio in the past, and then I'm going to explain the difference between them now. At first, we have in the past. How did TV look like in the past? In the past, TV had a very small screen. Okay? And it was very expensive. Okay, what about radio? Radio was very large, or in a very large wooden case. which made it very heavy to lift. Okay, what about the price? It was also very expensive. Okay, now let us talk about TV and radio now, the difference between them. Okay. Okay. Let's change the color. Okay, now TV has a very large screen. Okay, and it has colored images. Okay, what about its price? It's cheaper. Okay, what about radio? Radio now is very small, which make it easy for us to carry it. So now it is portable. And when we talk about the price, we'll find that it becomes very cheap. So now it is cheaper than the past. As we discussed, the difference between radio and TV in the past and now as means of broadcasting, okay, I'll move to talk about another point, which is the most important point in our lesson. It's about Kuwait's Ministry of Information, okay, policy. So, what is the policy of Kuwait Ministry of Information concerning broadcasting? Okay, it has a certain policy. This policy is based on two things or 2 points. Okay, which are the first point, mutual cooperation between countries. Sorry, I have to complete it here. I don't have enough space between countries. Okay. And the second point is respecting the affairs, okay, of other countries. Okay. Now, again, I discussed the meaning of broadcasting, or what is meant by broadcasting. Okay. The different means of broadcasting, the difference between radio and TV in the past and now, okay, and finally I talked about the policy of Kuwait's Ministry of Information concerning broadcasting. In this unit, still we have 2 points. I'm going to discuss them later in 2 parts. Okay, about media, its good side and bad side, and I'm going to discuss radio and TV, advantages and disadvantages of each one of them, and which one do you prefer. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.